Hello, everyone. This is Insurance Now with the Howard Group. How's everyone doing today? I am Josh, along with
Corrinn
and
Brad.
Guys, thank you so much for popping in today. What we are here to let's meet you guys. Who are you guys? What do you do? What are you all about?
Oh wow, where do you even start with that? So Howard Insurance, Corrinn and I purchased an Allstate agency in March of
Fantastic.
2020.
All right.
And we really are about protecting our customers against life's uncertainties.
Really? So on a whim, you guys were like, you know what? Let's get into insurance, and that was that, huh?
I don't think it was a whim, but it was a lot of research. Corrinn's been
Makes
licensed since 2013. And
Oh, wow.
It's a serious industry, and people don't always understand their coverages, so we wanted to make sure they do.
Right, which is everything insurance. You were going to say?
Well, I was going to say, yeah, so I've been doing this since 2013 and
7 years, wow.
Yeah, and it's been really fun. We've had 2 wonderful kids
In that time.
yes. And so when we were kind of figuring out what we were going to do next, we kind of decided that we were going to do something that meant something to people.
Oh, wow.
And so we wanted to do that with our children and maybe leave a legacy because we have 4 boys. We have
4 kids. Wow.
She rules the roost, man. It's just
Wow.
what it is.
4 boys.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
incredible.
The
Great.
dog's a boy too. So
Yeah.
So it's a family business, small business. You know,
Yes.
it's in the heart of America, which you guys are obviously, you know, you're making things happen for people, which is
Absolutely.
the way to go. So when you're a small business, it's easier to get a hold of you, right? Because a lot of people worry that when they get on the phone, they've got an insurance problem, they have to wait on this 1-800 line for several hours trying to get a hold of someone. How is that different when you guys do what you do as a small business selling insurance?
We don't like 800 numbers. So
Okay.
you can see on the screen here, that's my cell phone. And
Wow.
our customers can text, call, or email. And in fact, I was talking to someone this morning about a claim that they have. So we're accessible.
That's incredible. You guys are right. So that really blows me away because I have had problems with insurance in the past where I was stuck on a phone for hours just trying to get a hold of someone who was just sitting in office who I've had no contact with. You know, there's no familiarity with the person because it's a giant insurance
You're
company.
a number.
Yeah. And that's really how I felt. You know, I had a claim, I had a number, and I'm waiting for someone to get back to me. I've got no one else I can call. They kind of give you a number they can be reached at, but it's not like the intimate sessions that I could have with someone locally, which is really nice.
What we want.
And you guys are with Allstate, right? That is the
We are.
primary insurance coverage, and they are clearly the superior brand. What attracted you guys to Allstate?
Well, we think that. So
Well,
are.
I can
They are.
I can tell you that I have had experience as an independent agent
Really?
with the fact that I could, quote with several different companies. However, Allstate stands by its brand, and they have 90 years of experience
Wow.
doing this. And so it was something that I was very comfortable and very happy to put my name to. And that's why Brad and I decided to go with Allstate versus every other company.
yeah, and just the benefits that Allstate offers, even down to claim satisfaction. If you're
Really?
not satisfied with an auto claim, you get your premium free for 6 months,
Really?
guaranteed.
I had no idea.
On
See,
that
these are the
auto.
things the audience needs to know, really.
Yep. On the auto that had the claim.
Yeah. And what kinds of insurance do you guys offer? That's the number one thing I need to know because I'm probably going to be ending up in the future bringing in my coverage so you guys can compare it to what your needs, because I need new insurance.
We'd love to review it
Okay.
and make sure you're covered correctly.
Okay. So what do you cover?
So auto, home being if you own it or rent it, condo, landlords, business, life, pretty much everything.
Really? Boat? Anything like
Yes.
that?
Yes.
Any
Boats,
toys,
RVs,
motorcycles, RVs, and stuff like
UTVs.
that?
Yes,
Yes.
Wow. So you guys really cover everything in the insurance
absolutely.
industry.
Motorcycles,
Right.
we didn't say in that thread.
Which in Colorado is a pretty big deal
It
because a
is.
lot of people do like to ride.
Yep.
And I'm not one of those. I have avoided the motorcycle thing, but I have thought about getting one of those fifth wheels to pull behind my truck as a camper. Is that also something that can be insured?
Yes.
Because a lot of people here in Colorado certainly do something like that. So really, you guys can cover anything that I can almost imagine, as long as it's within the realm of something that drives or
I'm
sits
trying to
on a
think of something we
foundation.
don't. Can you think of anything?
Yeah, really, that's the question. What don't you cover?
There isn't anything that we don't cover because if we don't have a market for it, we, as Allstate agents, have the ability to go outside of our market just a little bit and help you cover all of your assets. I guess that's the biggest point. You need to cover your assets.
Right. Yeah.
So if it's a fifth wheel, if it's a dwelling policy, whatever it is that you do as a Coloradan, you need to make sure that you're covered. And Allstate does that.
And in this day and age, guys, it is more important than ever to be covered because we live in a litigious society. People
Yes.
are always looking for something. But as long as you are covered, Allstate will be there for you guys, and the Howards will be there for you as well, which is the best place to be.
That's
Yes.
Small business, you guys are a family. I love everything I'm seeing here.
Yep.
This is pretty cool, guys. So
You are definitely in good hands with Allstate.
Look at
I love
that.
it. I know the fucking everything. You guys are pros at this. Well, guys, that has been Insurance Now with the Howard Insurance Group from Allstate. Guys, thank you so much for coming in here today, giving us a little bit of background on who you are, what you do, and how we can get a hold of you. In our upcoming episodes, we'll certainly be able to cover everything from how to prepare for life's uncertainties, being aware of the underinsured, claims without pains, and stuff like that. That way, they can give you the advice that you need moving forward to make sure that what you have in your life is covered. I think that's pretty much where we're going to be going from here with that, guys. If I'm mistaken,
great.
you let me know.
That's
No,
it.
it sounds great.
Give us a call today, and thanks for having us on.
You bet. I know they can see the number, but give them the information one more time.
Give us a call, 303-919-5180. That's my cell phone.
Is there an email address that they can get a hold of you from?
BradleyHoward@allstate.com. That's BradleyHoward.
Guys, this has been Insurance Now. We'd like to thank you for tuning in. We'll see you guys next time. Have a good day.
Can I now celebrate?